Hi guys, welcome back to LARTE Design YouTube channel, and this is another LARTE edition video. And now I'm sitting in the Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 by LARTE Design with a complete full carbon body kit. Now let's have a look together at the key updates that we've made at LARTE Design. Welcome back to LARTE Design YouTube channel, and in this video we will unveil something truly special and exclusive. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, let's see. This is the brand new Mercedes Maybach GLS 600 2025 facelift done by LARTE Design in-house, and here we've got the complete carbon fiber body kit on this Maybach. Let's have a look in detail what upgrades we have made. In this video we first start talking about the rear appearance, so let's have a closer look at all the upgrades that we have done on this rear view. So first of all, on the lower part we've got the rear bumper diffuser, which is a one piece, and if you have a closer look you will see that instead of the Maybach exhaust tips, here we've got the AMG exhaust tips. Now these definitely add a little bit of touch of aggressiveness and sportiness to your Maybach. Now in addition, of course, at LARTE Design we've got the special brake lights. Now this gives a sense of uniqueness to you and really makes you feel one of a kind when driving your Maybach. Now of course, to make it even more special and have a little touch of individuality, we've also got the LARTE Design logo on the rear bumper diffuser, and as you can see, this is a complete and exposed carbon fiber diffuser made in-house by LARTE Design. Now if we have a closer look at all the additional parts, in the back we've also got this one-piece carbon fiber insert, and in addition we've also got a top spoiler which adds a sense of sportiness to your Maybach and also completes the overall look of your car. Now we've also got some extra and individual elements and touches on the side appearance of your Maybach, so let's have a closer look. If you see here, we've got the fenders on the back, but we've also got them in the front. I will show them to you in a moment. If you look from the side view, you can see that these elements make your car a little bit wider and definitely enhance the silhouette of your car. In addition, we've got some premium and exclusive touch to your Maybach. So instead of having the aluminum part on your side sills, here we've also got the carbon fiber insert with an additional LARTE logo to make your Maybach truly special. And on the side, we've also got one more key element, which is the mirror cups. Now, as you can see, these are also made from 100% carbon fiber and definitely add an exclusive and individual look to your car. Now, as I mentioned, we've got the fenders in the back, but if we also have a look at the front, we've also got the fenders in the front side. Now we've also have an additional insert on the side here, and of course the special LARTE Design logo to make you truly feel one of a kind when driving your Maybach on the roads. Before we start talking about the front on this Maybach, let's first have a look at these special LARTE Design forged wheels that we have made for this project. Now these are special indeed, and if you have a closer look, we've got the special spokes that match perfectly with the front grille. Now if we have a closer look together, you can see that these are the exact same shape, meaning that you have a full look here matching with the wheels and the front. Now these are also made with the special LARTE Design logo in the middle to make it even more special and unique, and in my opinion this is the perfect match to your GLS Maybach. Now we continue talking about the front upgrades on this Maybach. First of all, you see the one-piece massive LARTE Design carbon fiber hood on this car, and as you can see we've got some interesting lines on this hood to emphasize the power and exclusive look of this car. Now, as I already mentioned, we've also have the grille trim on this Maybach, which is made from 100% carbon fiber again, to have this exclusive and special note on the front of your car. And as we look closer here, we've got some additional elements, and these here are the trim intakes on the air intakes. And if you have a closer look, this is the distinctive element on the Maybach facelift version. And of course, we added a special touch with the carbon fiber on this car. And if we have a look on the bottom, we've also got the front bumper splitter on this Maybach, which makes your car a little bit lower and also adds this exclusive and premium touch. Now, I really want to ask you for your opinion, and let me know in the comments what you think about this upgraded Maybach by LARTE Design. If you have enjoyed the front, or if you have enjoyed the side view of this Maybach or the rear view, let us know in the comments below. So after having a look at all the exterior upgrades for this Maybach, now I suggest that before finishing off this video, I show you the interior, as many of you were also asking for it. Even though we do not customize it at LARTE Design, let me quickly show you the special interior on this Maybach GLS. So here we've got a full red interior. Now also have a look here, we've got an interesting display panel, and most importantly, I'd like to ask you guys, what do you think about this color combination? Does it match the exterior which was made by LARTE Design? Let us know in the comments below, but most importantly, let me show you the back view of this Maybach GLS, which is something even more cooler.